Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Audi Q7 taillight. Remove the rear cargo trim panel to access screws and the wiring harness, then unbolt the tail lamp assembly and carefully pull it free. Disconnect the connector and remove the bulb or socket as needed. Install the new bulb or assembly, reconnect the harness, test the light, then resecure the lamp and trim panels before driving. Start by opening the liftgate and folding down or removing the cargo cover to reveal trim fasteners and access holes. Use a trim removal tool to carefully pop out plastic clips and remove screws without forcing panels. Keep all hardware organized in a small tray or magnetic dish so you can find each piece when reinstalling the trim and tail lamp assembly. With trim removed, unbolt the tail lamp assembly using a T25 Torx and gently pull the lamp straight out to free it from the body. Support the assembly with one hand while disconnecting the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling the plug free. Swap the bulb or replace the entire lamp, then test the connection before refitting the assembly and tightening the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.